as I promised in my previous video, I would like to share with you some information how to use Chat GPT version number 4 and DAL-E free functionality absolutely for free. So to do that, you need to install Copilot for your Android system, for your mobile. You can do it in two ways. First way is to install Bing search for your mobile, and the second way is to install Copilot itself. You can download it from the Google Store. As you can see, there is information in this application that you can turn on version number 4 to create a content. The best thing in this application is that you can create absolutely beautiful pictures. Unfortunately, both if you create some content like poem, song, or I don't know, story, or you can, if you will create picture, you cannot use it for the commercial purposes. There's information about that. If you will ask Copilot about terms and conditions, so he will show you a text that this content is created for entertainment use, not for the commercial use. You can also use Copilot using your computer. To do that, you need to open Edge browser and then search for Bing. Not far from here, like a week ago, there was called Bing Chat. Now it's called Copilot. Funny thing, if you try to generate, I don't know, some text, like creative text, like a poem or a story or song, and you will ask him about terms and conditions, he will tell you that it's possible to use it for commercial use. So funny thing, the same tool, Copilot, used in mobile and used in a computer, and two different terms of use of created content. And I think that Microsoft needs to unify it because it's confusing for a user. But if you want to be 100% sure that you're using Chat GPT 4, I recommend to use application, because if you will ask Copilot in your computer, he will not tell you what version it uses, and I suspect it's a lower version than 4.0, like 3.5 plus some functionalities that was added by Microsoft itself. So it's up to you. Which version do you choose? Have fun. Let me know if you are using it and for what purposes, and what do you think about using Copilot, and what are your experience with that tool. Bye-bye.